Welcome back to digital class, and this is a discussion for booklet number 6 about circles, and now we're looking at page number 5, question number 8. Let's look at this question. Here it says that Davian rolled a toy car wheel from point P, as you can see point P is here, to the floor towards a wall on the street. The wheel with center O had a diameter of 6 cm. Again, this is the wheel, and this wheel have a diameter of 6 cm. Okay, and there was a distance of 556 between point P and the wall. And the question now asks, how many revolutions did the toy car wheel make when it touched the wall? Again, first thing you need to understand is what is the meaning of this revolution. Revolution basically means it turns how many times. Basically, we can understand that it turns. It turns how many times. Okay, and I know that it reaches this wall, means that the wheel must be something like this. Okay, neat. Okay, then this is point number O. Okay, again, center is O and the diameter is 6 cm. Now, in order for me to look for how many revolutions did the wheel make, first thing I need to know is the distance, okay, the distance that travel divide by what is the circumference of the wheel. Means that one circle, the length is 1, which is the circumference of the wheel. Okay, so now let's first thing you define is what is the distance. Now, distance you might just say the teacher 556, that's all. However, you might be wrong with this. Why? Because can you see here? This, I know the circles is 6 cm, right? Means that here up to here is 3 cm. However, when it reach here, actually, here to here, this 3 cm, actually, it can't travel between that 3 cm. I mean, it can't reach that 3 cm. Do you get what I mean? Example, this is a wheel. If it turns, it will turn like this, and turn here. But here, travel up to here is actually 153 cm. Means that the 3 cm that stick to the wall, actually, this part, the wheel not able to travel. Okay, it only touches, but it's not able to reach that part. Okay, that's why the distance that has been traveled is only 153 cm. Okay, and now the questions now continue with the circumference of the wheel. And of course, if we want to look for the circumference of the wheel, we know that the formula is what? 2 pi r or pi d. And of course, in this case, we just use diameter since we know it's 6 cm. So now the question now requested to use or leave your answer in pi. So you can just leave it as 6 pi because pi times 6, which is 6 pi. And of course, the answer for this question is distance travel divided by circumference of the wheel, which is 153 divided by 6 pi. So how many revolution? The answer is 153 divided by 6 pi. And of course, just in case you might thinking that, teacher, what if the question not asking you to leave your answer in pi? Then what should I do? Then it's very simple. Just pick up your calculator and just type 153 divided by 6 and pi. And basically, you'll be noticing that you actually have traveled about 80 or wait, let me just quickly press on calculator. About 8 times. Okay, about approximately 8 times. Okay, so you can just press on calculator and try it out, and you find the same answer. Okay, but it might be slightly different depending whether you use 22/7 or you're using 3.14, and sometimes even when you use the pi value inside your calculator will be different also. Okay, so that's all. So I hope this video helps you, especially in this part that you must notice that this part the wheel not able to travel. That's why you need to minus 3. Thank you, and I hope this video helps you, and see you. Bye bye.